Another day, another story. The lunar orbit refers to the path that the moon follows as it revolves around the Earth. This orbit is the result of the gravitational interaction between the Earth and the moon. The concept of how lunar orbit works is rooted in the principles of gravity and the laws of motion described by Isaac Newton. Here's a simplified explanation of how lunar orbit works. Gravity. Gravity is the force of attraction between two objects with mass. In this case, the Earth and the Moon have mass, so they exert gravitational forces on each other. Centripetal force. The Moon is in constant motion due to its initial velocity and the lack of any significant forces acting to slow it down in space. However, the gravitational force between the Earth and the Moon acts as a centripetal force, constantly pulling the Moon toward the Earth. Inertia. According to Newton's first law of motion, an object in motion will stay in motion unless acted upon by an external force. In the case of the Moon, its inertia, the tendency to keep moving, counteracts the gravitational force trying to pull it directly into the Earth. This combination of the Moon's inertia and the Earth's gravitational force results in a curved path, the lunar orbit. Balance. The Moon's velocity and the strength of Earth's gravitational pull create a balance between the Moon's tendency to move forward in a straight line, due to inertia, and the gravitational pull that keeps bending its path toward the Earth. This balance results in the Moon continuously falling towards Earth but also constantly missing it due to its forward velocity. As a result, the Moon orbits around the Earth. Circular and elliptical orbits. The lunar orbit can be nearly circular, which means the Moon's distance from Earth remains relatively constant throughout its orbit. However, the lunar orbit is more accurately described as slightly elliptical, with the Moon's distance from Earth varying slightly as it moves along its path. It's important to note that the Moon's orbit is not a perfect circle due to various gravitational influences from the Sun and other celestial bodies. These influences can cause slight variations in the shape and orientation of the lunar orbit over time, leading to phenomena like lunar precession. In summary, the Moon's orbit around the Earth is a delicate balance between its forward motion, inertia, and the gravitational force that pulls it inward. This balance results in a curved path, creating the familiar elliptical orbit we observe from Earth. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.